mistrial and disband this jury.
Hopelessly deadlocked, a judge says jurors cannot agree on a verdict in a double murder trial. Now the man accused is set to be released on bail. Good evening and thank you for watching. I'm John Becker. Robin Wilhoit is on assignment tonight. The judge announced a mistrial in the Norman Clark trial this afternoon. He's accused of murdering Brittany Eldridge, who was just 2 weeks away from giving birth. Eldridge claimed Clark fathered her baby. WBIR 10 News reporter Brittany Bade has been following this case from the beginning. And Brittany, a long day for the jury and both families.
John, a very emotional day for both families as the future of Norman Clark hung in the balance, and it really all happened very quickly. About an hour ago, we went into the court and we just thought the jury had a question for the judge, but they revealed that they were, as you said, hopelessly deadlocked and were going to be unable, no matter how long they deliberated, to be able to reach a unanimous decision that would have convicted or freed Norman Clark. Now, the next time we're going to see Norman Clark is at a status hearing, and WBIR legal analyst, attorney Don Bosch, says that it is unlikely in an interview just a while ago, and here's what he had to say.
Sure, there'll be a status hearing in the very near future where the state will announce whether they have intentions of retrying Norman Clark on these charges. Historically, that doesn't happen when the decision is 11-1.
Isaac said the jury was 11-1 not guilty, and that status hearing is scheduled for October 29th. Until then, Isaac's made a motion in court today that was approved by Judge Steve Sword to reduce Norman Clark's bail to $50,000. Isaac says he anticipates Clark will be out on bond by tonight. He did make a point to address that while today was a step towards victory for him and his client, there really is no winner here.
At the end of the day, this is a case where there's never a clear winner, clear loser, and our prayers and our thoughts go out to the family of Brittany Eldridge.
The family of Brittany Eldridge and many of her friends and co-workers were here for most of the trial, and they were very somber after the decision was announced today, and they left rather quickly. They are asking for privacy, and our hearts certainly go out to them for their terrible loss. Coming up on 10 News at 6, we will have another update for you, but for right now, we'll send it back to you. John?
All right, thanks very much. Brittany Bade on the story. It's been one of our most read stories on the website for the past couple of weeks. We're going to take a look back at those stories we've covered just ahead on WBIR.com.